All right, so we got a little bike check right here. This is my Killer Quad, SC Bikes Killer Quad. I got the custom sticker kit here made from Bike Life Slabs. This is Canyon City Supply Co. Check us out on Instagram. Little streetwear brand. And Bike Life Slabs make this kit right here. It's a little fucked up. I've been traveling with the bike, it just gets little nicks and dings, but nothing too crazy. It's like, so I got the S&M 4-piece bars right here in that purple, and then the bike came with these purple rims, so I got like this little purple gold offset trying to go theme color going on. This is a Shimano 10-speed cassette. I switched it out, so it's not the stock cassette. The gearing, I just like the gears on there because there's specifically an 18 gear, I believe, and I like to run the back 18 is like one of my favorite gears to run. That's a 32 or 33, I believe. Chainring, changed it out. It's just a generic Amazon one. You can see, or 34 tooth. You got this. What is this called? Like chains. I forgot what they call this. The chain guard, the protector for like if this is, you don't really fuck that up. This is the stock shifter, micro shift, but I switched it out for a Shimano Diori 10-speed shifter here, just because it's it hits better. You see here I got the Magura MT5's disc brake in the rear, which is connected to a 210. Let's fix this here. All right, so I had to move this bike. Yeah, I got the Magura. These are 200 and, what is this again? 203 millimeter. 203 millimeter disc brake. It bites. It's pretty good. A little overkill, but I like that. Take out the front disc brake. Need to put that back eventually, but you know, it's not really needed on this bike. I don't do nothing too crazy. Yeah, man, this is the bike check on my Killer Quad. I got my SC flyer as well. Let me know in the comments if anybody wants to see a bike check on that. But yeah, make sure you subscribe. Hit me up for more bike check videos if you want to see that. I'm trying to post more consistently. I've been busy, but check that out, yo.